boom, boom, boom. Bang, 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 bang. Boom, 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 boom. How, 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 how. Hey, hey. You gotta come on.
Good morning, YouTubers. It's a crisp 5:30 in the morning. Dirk's Trains is here. It's Pacific again. Yep, this is their first show. This is Bob Flora's show, Flora's Electric Trains. And this is the first show of the year. And we're out here. This show has been growing and getting bigger and bigger all of the time. So, what's with these shadows? So, as you can tell, these podcasts are not getting out on time because things are really bad at my house right now. So I'm doing the best I can to get things out, but it's not working like I thought it should. So, but we're going to have one heck of a show today. We will have the camera running all day showing you. We're looking for more people. I've already got half a battery dead. And so, see, didn't get to charge either. But we're going to have a show, and like I said, this show's growing all the time, so we don't know what's going to happen today. But we're looking for great sales, and we're looking for great buys. So we'll see you when we get inside. Okay, we're inside, and we're set up. Well, I'm set up. Everybody else is working on it. $80 tables, 30 vendors. It's going to be a good show. We're about to be told to pack up. I think he's asleep. Hey, Bob.
Yeah.
Hey, Bob. I heard you had over 200 people.
Yeah, had about 226.
Wow. See how good this show is? You need to come to this show. Where's this at, Bob?
Pacific Eagles Hall in 707 West Congress Street in Pacific, Missouri.
All right.
Show.
Oh, very, very good show. I had a regular show. Here's Boris. I bought all my stuff from him. Look at this guy. This is the guy of that new train show.
Train
show. Well, you have a train show though,
Yeah,
and he
a train
moved the
show
date
also.
for us. He moved. He was the only one in May, but now what? Somebody else jumped in at May 1st or something. I don't know. But tell us about your place.
The
hobby
train
shop.
show, the
It's
hobby
a-
shop,
the
yes.
hobby shop.
3323 Lemay Ferry Road. You've got to be there. All scales, a little bit of everything, a nice place to sit, a little TV to watch, hang out, aggravate Zachary. You know, these are the things you need to do.
And bring Glenda some candy. She really likes it.
No, Dirk, you need to bring her some candy. You owe her candy, not me, not anyone else, just you, Dirk.
All right. Well, that's going to do it for this segment of Let's Learn Things. And wow, we have to load in the rain again. So we'll just see you at the next one, which is actually next weekend, and we're going to Boeing. Remember that show? Wow.